Good morning, everyone. Now, today we will learn about conditional programming. In the previous class, we have learned the basic functions of basic functions of Python, like print statement, input statement. Now, today we will be doing conditional programming. Conditional programming means when the output will be reflected on the basis of condition. Like if the condition will be satisfied, then only the output will come. Otherwise, output will either not come or a different output will come. For example, you have to check whether a number entered by user is even number or odd number, right? So for that, first we will take a number from a user. So we'll take a variable for that. A equals to int. In the last class, we have already discussed why we are using int before input statement, because whenever you take any value from the user, it will be treated as string value, and we need to convert it into integer value so that we can perform basic operations like mathematical operations on it, right? So first we'll take a number from the user. Now we'll check if a percentage 2 means percentage. Now there are two different signs of divide. One is percentage and one is this divide sign. When you want the quotient as an answer, then you will use this sign, this operator. But if you want to check the remainder, अब even number कैसे पता चलेगा? अगर remainder अगर 2 से divide करेंगे and the remainder is 0, it means it's a even number. If remainder is anything else, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, whatever. So if the remainder is left with any other number, then it's an odd number. So we will check the remainder, not the quotient. So we will use percentage sign. Percentage sign is used to check the remainder. If a percentage 2 equals to 0, it means now why we are using this double equals to. Earlier we have used only single equals to, like to assign a value, which is also called as assignment operator. For example, a equals to 12. So here we are using single equals to, which is also known as assignment operator, which is used to assign value to a variable. But in this statement, what we are doing is we are checking, we are comparing two things, that if A is divided by 2 and the remainder, the A divided by 2, इससे क्या आएगा हमें, इस statement से we will get a remainder. Remainder we are comparing, is it equals to 0? So for comparison, we will use double equals to sign. So this is called as comparison operator. So if remainder is 0, it means it's an even number. So print. Now, as you can see, as soon as I press enter key, there is a space before the print statement, which is called as indentation, which is important. Why? Because Python identify with the help of indentation, Python identifies कि this statement belongs to which line. Now, this next print statement, which is coming, it's a part of if statement. तो अगर हम इसमें स्पेस रिमूव कर देंगे, देन इट विल कम आउट ऑफ इफ स्टेटमेंट. तो इफ कंडीशन अगर सेटिस्फाई होगी तो आंसर नहीं प्रिंट होगा. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे स्पेस, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज इंडेंटेशन, इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू गिव so that it can check the statement first, and on the basis of that checked statement it will print this output, even number. Now else now else you have to write without indentation. It should come exactly in alignment of if. Now this print statement is a part of else statement. So it should, again, you have to leave some space before writing print. वो automatically आ जाता है. If you are using colon sign, so it will automatically come. Right? Done. Check. Enter a number, let's say 5. It's an odd number. Next, let's say 8. It's an even number, right? So this is how you can check whether the number entered by user is even or odd. Next is, now if you have multiple if statement, let's say I wanted to give a message to the user on the basis of day. Let's say अगर यूजर 1 एंटर करता है, 2 एंटर करता है, 3 एंटर करता है, 1 से लेके 7 तक में हमें यूजर से नंबर लेने हैं. एंड देन इफ द यूजर विल एंटर 1, it's a first day of a week, that is Monday, so we want to give a different message, and on Tuesday we want to give a different message. So on the basis of day we want to give some different messages. So here we have to use different like many if statements. So how to do that? Let's take a number from the user again. A, input, enter a number between 1 to 7. Now we will check if A equals to, instead of A, I am changing the variable now and I'm making it no number. It's your choice. Otherwise, there is no issue with A also. If number equals to 1, print. Let's say we just wanted to suggest few colors on the basis of days. So you should wear, it's Monday. You should wear white color today. Just make sure one thing, कंप्यूटर में कलर की स्पेलिंग COLOR होती है, बट इंग्लिश में COLOUR होती है, बिकॉज इन कंप्यूटर कोडिंग लैंग्वेज वी यूज American English, and the English which we are using in our daily life, it's UK English. तो उसमें दोनों में कलर की स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होती है. सो व्हाइल डूइंग द कोडिंग, इफ यू हैव टू यूज कलर एट एनी टाइम, मतलब अभी तो ये स्टेटमेंट है, सो इट विल गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड डायरेक्टली ऑन द आउटपुट स्क्रीन. सो there is no issue whether you are writing the spelling of color as COLOR or COLOUR. It doesn't make any sense because it's just a message. Otherwise, whenever you are doing coding, you have to use the spelling of color is COLOR. Okay, next statement is elif. When we have multiple if statements, so next statement will be elif. That is else if number, but you will not write the complete else if. You will write only elif because that is a syntax of Python. Elif number equals to 2, print. I am just going to copy this, paste it here. It's Tuesday. You you can wear orange or red colored clothes today. Now I'm going to copy this statement, paste it one more time and change it to 3. If it is elif, if number equals to 3, then it's Wednesday. You can wear blue color. all elif should be in single like alignment. If it is 4, then it's Thursday. You can wear yellow color. If it is 5, then it's Friday. You can wear green color. If it is 6, it's Saturday. You can wear else. No, we will write one more time. If it is 7, then it's Sunday. You can wear any color clothes. Else. Now we will write else statement. Suppose the user is not entering any number from 1 to 7 and he's entering 56 or any other number which is not in our range. So then the message should come as print. Kindly enter a number from the given range. Check now. Let's say 4. So it's Thursday. You can wear yellow color today. If it is 8, enter a number from given range, right? Okay, this is how you can do if else with multiple if statement, program of multiple if statement.